The school bell rang loudly. Children ran through the hallways, laughing and chatting. But one girl sat quietly at her desk, staring at a piece of paper. Her name was Ananya. She was 15 years old and had big dreams. She wanted to do something great in life. But no matter how hard she tried, success always seemed far away. Her hands shook as she looked at her test paper. A big red mark. Failed again. Her classmates started whispering. She failed again. She is not smart. She will never succeed. Ananya's heart sank. She had studied so much. She had worked so hard. But no one saw that. They only saw her failure. She quickly put the paper in her bag and walked out of the classroom, her eyes full of tears. That evening, when she came home, her father noticed something was wrong. Ananya was always full of energy, but today, she was silent. She didn't smile, she didn't talk. She just went straight to her room and closed the door. Her father watched her carefully. He knew something was bothering her. Later, as he cleaned the table, he saw a piece of paper sticking out of Ananya's bag. He gently pulled it out and looked at it. It was her test paper, covered in red marks. His heart ached. He knew how hard she had worked. He knew how much she wanted to succeed. He took a deep breath, picked up an old book from the shelf, and walked toward her room. The door slowly creaked open. He sat beside her and asked, "Ananya, have you heard about Albert Einstein?" She sniffled and shook her head. Einstein's teachers once said he would never amount to anything. They thought he was slow. But he proved them wrong and became one of the greatest scientists in history. Ananya looked up, curiosity flickering in her eyes. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times before he succeeded. Her father flipped through more pages, showing her stories of great minds who once struggled. Did you know Isaac Newton was considered weak in school? He was often distracted and failed many subjects. But one apple changed everything, leading him to discover gravity. Ananya wiped her tears. Really? Who else? Her father nodded. Stephen Hawking wasn't a top student either, and later, he lost the ability to speak. But his mind changed the way we understand the universe. She leaned forward, listening intently. Marie Curie faced endless struggles. Universities denied her admission just because she was a woman. But she made history as the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes. Ananya's eyes widened. So, geniuses aren't born. Her father smiled. No one is born that way. They just found a different way to learn. The next day, Ananya decided to change her approach. Instead of reading blindly, she used colors, mind maps, and real-life examples to understand concepts. She asked more questions instead of memorizing answers. Slowly, things began to change. At first, the improvement was small, just a few extra marks. But she didn't stop. Day by day, she kept going, turning failures into progress. Months later, on the day of the final exam results, she took a deep breath as the teacher called out names. Ananya, second rank in class. A gasp filled the room. Her classmate, who once laughed at her, now looked at her in shock. Ananya happily returned home, excitement bubbling inside her. She couldn't wait for her father to come back. As soon as he stepped inside, she rushed to him, holding out her rank card with shining eyes. "Papa, look," she beamed. Her father took the card, reading the result. His face lit up with pride as he pulled her into a warm hug. See, the first step to success is failure. But Ananya's journey didn't stop there. She continued with the same spirit, working hard without hesitation, planning each step with focus and determination. She no longer feared failure, she embraced it as a stepping stone. Years later, she stood inside a world-famous research laboratory, her eyes filled with wonder as she looked at the cutting-edge technology around her. Scientists from across the globe worked alongside her, solving problems that could change the future. Ananya walked over to her desk and smiled at a framed test paper, the same one that once had a red, failed, written across it. That failure had shaped the person she had become. Because she didn't give up. Moral: failure is not the end, it is the beginning of learning and growth. Now, let's talk. Have you ever faced failure that made you want to give up? What did you learn from it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else.